Have I ever been in trouble at school? Yes, I've been in trouble at school before.
100% Jordan's been in trouble at school.
Occasion, I bet.
I don't think Jordan ever got caught.
Probably for talking back.
Yes.
I would say anything but math.
Science?
Maybe history? She's a wealth of knowledge.
Study hall.
English?
Language arts.
Math.
Let's go with math.
Science?
Math.
Probably math.
Science?
Gel pens.
Probably a binder. So she loves her notebooks.
Definitely a really nice notebook. A lot of notes.
Elmer's glue.
Sticky notes?
Highlighter.
I wanted to be, in high school, I wanted to be the person that picks music for movies.
An astronaut?
Gardener or botanist? Something with plants.
An Olympic athlete.
A boss? A CEO?
A vet.
Bailey Family Insurance. We have plans for you.